Hi everyone, Ray here. On this video, we are going to talk about real estate flipping. What is flipping? Basically, flipping is purchasing an asset and holding it for a short period of time before reselling it. There are two types of ways to flip a property here in the Philippines. The cheapest way is to buy a property at its pre-selling price and sell it before turnover. Very minimal lang ang pera na ilalabas dito compared to the other option. So for example, you buy a property that is worth 3.5 million pesos. You will pay for the reservation fee, let's say 20,000 pesos, and the down payment. For example, 20%, which is 700,000. Your reservation fee will be deducted here. So basically, your down payment will be 680,000 pesos. You won't even have to pay the whole down payment amount one time big time because this will be stretched in a couple of years or months. So assuming your down payment is to be paid within 36 months, you will be required to pay a spot down payment of, let's say, 10% of the selling price, which is 350,000. Then for the next 36 months, you will be only paying the remaining 350,000 from the down payment, which equivalents to around 9,722 per month. By the way, this is just a sample computation just to keep it simple. You should also consider some minimal fees and charges as well. I will be discussing this more in detail on a separate video. I will show you how to read the sample proposal, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified when that video comes out. Okay, so to summarize, in order to buy the property, naglabas ka lang ng 20,000 reservation fee, 350,000 spot down payment, and 9,722 per month for 36 months for the remaining down payment. Now, you don't even have to complete the 9,722 per month. If after a few months, the value of your property increased to, for example, 4 million, you can sell your property before turnover and gain 500,000. So yung buyer na ang magtutuloy ng payments and you've already gained on your investment. Cheaper din ito because you will be selling it before turnover. So you won't have to deal with bank financing or other fees to maintain a property. This is especially good if you buy your property at its early pre-selling price because that way, you will have more years for the value of your property to appreciate before turnover. The next one is buying a property and improving it and reselling it at a higher value. This will require a larger capital because you would have to consider renovation costs. For example, buying a house that needs a lot of fixing. You buy a house, improve it, and then resell it. Although you will need a larger capital, there is a higher potential for higher value appreciation. Of course, in pricing your property, you would need to consider its market value and all your renovation and other costs. Flipping is a great type of real estate investment because it allows you to avoid maintenance costs for keeping a property, taxes, or having to deal with difficult situations when it comes to rental income. You know, like yung paniningil and all. By the way, if you guys are looking for a real estate agent, I highly recommend Ryan Macalino. He is one of our real estate agents. Super sipag niya and he's very accommodating. Any inquiries or anything you ask, he's always there and ready to answer you. Especially his after-sales service, it is excellent. You can check his contact details below. To know more about the different types of real estate, you may check this video here. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions or if you have any suggested topics you'd like me to discuss, please comment down below. I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye. Of course, when pricing your property, you would need